What's up everyone, how you doing? I hope you guys doing very well there, and welcome back to our channel. It is very happy to see you again into our another video. So this time I'm gonna show you how to know about the girl version of your baby boys, and what if she also wearing the Christmas outfit like this. Isn't that cute and super beautiful, right? How to create this photo transformation? It is very simple. So without any further ado, and let's get into the tutorial. Well guys, the tool that you can use over here is the Nano Banana, and here you can find it into the Google AI Studio. So don't forget to do the login first with your Google account, and after that you can find it into this Try Gemini 3 and go to the images and click the Nano Banana, or you can also go to this chat with models, click this and go to these images and click Nano Banana until there is the pop-up information ready to chat. And after that you can start to upload the file down here, and for example I will choose this one, and after that I will put the prompt into this section. Basically the prompt gonna be like this: change this attached photo into the baby girl version. And also she is sitting on the soft ivory fox fur blanket, smiling naturally, and also dress her in a deep crimson velvet outfit with a small white collar here and matching bow. And also set the background as a warm stone fireplace decorated with a natural green pine garland. And also use the shallow depth of field, cinematic volumetric lighting, and also sharp focus on her face and fabric texture for a warm and also cozy look. And after that you can continue to click run and kindly wait for the output down here. Well guys, you can also have the possibility to get a little bit different look by using the same prompt, but don't worry, it's still in the one theme. And also I will put the prompt into the description box so you can start to use it, and you can let us know if this prompt also worked for you. And after waiting for a while, maybe 30 seconds or 40 seconds, and this will be the result. You'll see a little bit differences, maybe about the angle, but still in the cute look in one theme, which is the baby girl in front of the fireplace, and the theme is during the Christmas. And if you like it, then you can start to download it, and it's gonna be officially saved into your device. So that's all guys. I hope this video finds you helpful and entertaining, and if you have any requests or feedback, please don't worry to put it in the comment section, because we would love to see your comments there. I'll see you in another video, and thank you for watching. Bye guys.